What is going on, everybody? James Blue Tech Community here. Today I'm going to be bringing you the unboxing of the Echo Sub. Now this released back 8 years ago, back in 2018. This is actually a device I've been wanting to get my hands on for a while, but it seemed like they never had it in stock, and I guess it just didn't sell well, but Amazon seems to be selling it again right now, so I picked one of these up. And actually, because I have a 2 Echo Dot system out in my living room with my TV, which is much better than my TV speakers, but definitely does not give that good bass. So I wanted to add this to add a little bit more oomph to different movies that I watch. Now this is actually a 6-inch subwoofer that pairs with your Alexa devices. Now I do believe with the new Echo Dots and Echo Studios, you can pair up to 5 of those speakers in addition to one of these subwoofers, giving you a full surround sound system. But I have the Echo Dot, I think 4th generations, which you can only pair 2 of those speakers with one of these subs. So that is my plan for this, and I will give a full review of the Echo Sub paired with the Echo Dot 4th generations and kind of give you my take on that. But today is going to just be the unboxing of what we get here and what you can expect. So let's get into it. And when you open up, the first thing you'll see here is you got this bag here with this handle, which is nice, makes it easy to just take out. And first, you'll see here it looks like just kind of the typical paperwork you usually will get with a lot of the stuff. To the side, and you get a power cord, because that's the thing too. With this, you don't end up getting, it's just the power cord. It pairs up everything wirelessly. There's no auxiliary cables you need to use or anything of the sort. It's just the power cable, and then you just pair it up to your current speakers you have, and then you're good to go. This thing, I will say, does have some weight to it. This thing is not a lightweight or cheap feeling speaker, or subwoofer I should say, in any sense of the word. You could, I don't know if you guys can see it that well here on camera though, but the 6-inch subwoofer that is there on the bottom, right down there. And yeah, it's a pretty clean looking speaker. I like it because it matches with my Echo Dots that I have. And underneath here, it'll be just the power port and the pairing button right there underneath this. So all you have to do is just basically plug it in and you're good to go. But honestly, I am looking forward to testing this thing out. I'll be testing this out over the next week or two. So if you guys want to get my full thoughts on the Echo Sub and how it sounds and whether or not you should get one, definitely subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you guys get notified when that video goes up. As always, it's been James Blue Tech. I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one.